Imagine paying for a pizza and getting someone else's secrets with it. Weird. That's exactly how some Android compromises start. Stay with me. I'll show 3 common categories attackers use, how to spot them, and how to defend legally. Quick note, everything here is high level and defensive. Don't try this on devices you don't own. Let's jump in. Section 1. Files. Not glamorous but deadly. Attackers often use malicious or tampered files to trick users. Think unofficial APKs, or that abuse app features. The core idea, a file can request more access than it needs or exploit mistakes in an app. For defenders, the important parts are what to look for: unusual permission requests, apps from unknown sources, or PDFs that trigger odd app behavior. Defenses: install from trusted stores, review permissions before installing, use mobile antivirus/app reputation services, and run unknown apps in isolated test environments, emulators, or dedicated lab devices. Always keep backups and system updates applied. I once used a modded app to save a few bucks. It bricked a phone and cost me a week of recovery. Lesson: convenience can cost you far more than the price tag. Section 2. Networks and phishing. The invisible highways attackers love. Phishing isn't just emails. It's fake websites, malicious Wi-Fi hotspots, or poisoned network traffic. Attackers aim to intercept credentials, inject malicious content, or trick you into revealing secrets. The technical names include MITM, traffic interception, and SSL/TLS bypass attempts. But what matters to you is the indicator visibility. Defenses: avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks, use verified VPNs, check HTTPS and certificate details on critical sites, enable 2-factor authentication, and use apps that implement proper certificate pinning. For researchers, log and analyze network traffic only in a controlled lab with consent. Pro tip: if a website asks for unusual permissions or a login on a non-standard domain, stop. I'll share one practical lab setup at the end to test network defenses safely. Don't miss it. Section 3. The scary stuff. 0 days in kernel exploits. These are vulnerabilities that let code run where it shouldn't, in the kernel or system services. They're typically rare but critical. Most defenders never see them directly, but they are the reason we patch urgently. Defenses: apply security updates immediately, subscribe to vendor/security advisories, use Google Play Protect, limit unnecessary services, and use mobile endpoint protection in enterprise settings. If you discover a vulnerability, follow responsible disclosure. Report to the vendor, coordinate fixes, and don't publish exploit code. If you want to learn safely, set up a local lab, use emulators and disposable devices, practice on intentionally vulnerable VM images or CTFs like Android-specific challenge platforms, and study OWASP Mobile Top 10. Never test on devices you don't own or systems without written permission. If you like that high-level breakdown, hit like and comment. Which of the 3 surprised you? I'll pin the best questions and make a follow-up lab video that walks through safe, legal testing setups. Subscribe for more and, seriously, keep learning the right way. Subscribe for more.